First thing I'll do is cut the parts for this, what I'm calling 3/4 of a box. So I have a bottom here, two sides, and then this will be attached to the bottom of the table saw outfeed table. And now I'll tack these parts together with a few 1.5-inch nails. I'm making sure that the parts are flush at the front and the sides, and using about a nail every 8 to 10 inches. I'm attaching this box to the bottom of the outfeed table with 6-inch long screws. So I'm using the drill press and hoping that I drill through the center of this plywood. I wasn't able to drill all the way through with the drill press, so I'm hoping that the holes that I did drill will guide the drill bit so it drills through the center. So here I have my 3/4 of a box. There's no need for a back. The next step is to make a drawer to fit inside the box. Here I have the parts for the drawer, and I'm building this drawer just by tacking the parts together. I'll attach the front first, then the two sides, and I'll keep the sides long so I can pull the drawer all the way out without the drawer falling out. I'm bringing the back of the drawer in about 6 inches. Again, that way I can open the drawer all the way up without the fear of it falling down. And the back of the drawer is going on top of the bottom. So I'll just draw a line here and cut this piece at that measurement. All right, so now I can flip over this 3-sided box and check out the drawer. That looks pretty good. So the next step is to attach this to the bottom of the table. I used a piece of scrap poplar to make a drawer front off camera, applied 2 coats of a water-based polyurethane. This knob is an extra from the farmhouse writing desk. I'll have a link to that project. It's a fun project if you want to check it out. And now I'll go ahead and pre-drill holes on the inside of the drawer to attach the drawer front. I think the most difficult thing about woodworking is often just getting started and then building something that you actually like. With woodworking, a good design can often come down to a fraction of an inch, whether something looks elegant or clunky. I have a ton of woodworking plans on my website, ranging from beginner to advanced projects, and they all have free video tutorials right here on YouTube designed to help guide you through the project. So before you start your next woodworking project, I hope that you'll visit my website, check out all the plans, pick a project that you like, and then let me help you with your next woodworking project. All right, well, that's a nice addition to the shop. Something I've been putting off for a while. I should have done this years ago. Really nice to have the router bits all in one place. A couple of things. Number one, this is great, but it's not perfect, just like most woodworking projects. I ended up putting a stop underneath the table so I could pull the drawer all the way out without fear of it coming all the way out and falling on the floor. What that does is it makes it a little bit more difficult to get some of the router bits that are in the very back of the drawer. Not a big deal because those router bits, I can still get them, and they're really, those bits I don't use that often anyway, but not perfect, so I thought I'd point that out. The holes that I drilled for the 1/4-inch bits are 17/64, so just a little bit bigger than 1/4 of an inch. And for the 1/2-inch bits, 17/32, again, making those holes a little bit bigger so they don't get stuck. If you'd like to take a closer look at this shop and hear a little bit more about it, we did post a shop tour video on the Today's Craftsman channel this morning at 8:30. So click on the link in the description below to check that out. And of course, if you'd like to build the furniture for your home or just start another woodworking project, I hope that you'll check out my website and check out all of my plans. I have everything from beginner to advanced projects, and they all have step-by-step video tutorials free right here on YouTube, designed to help guide you through the project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. I'm back with some news. If you missed the art videos that I used to post on this channel, I'm now making art videos and posting them to my art channel, and I've been doing that now for about 2 months, posting new videos every Sunday morning. So there's a lot of new content there. So if you've been missing the art videos and wondering where they went, I'll have a link to where they are now down in the description below. It's a fun, casual approach to painting and making art, and I think you'll really enjoy it. So hope that you'll click on the link, and I'll see you there.